We're free. That was kind of scary. Whoa! Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cry of Fear. This place is pretty spooky. Ah! God damn. You're an ugly boy. Please, thank you. Jesus. We're starting the scares a little early today, apparently. Do not mess with me, for I have a Glock, and I'm willing to kill myself. The fuck is it? Hey! Since when was this a shooter game? Oh, shnikes. Holy God, there's like three. How many of you are? Jesus. Kaniner, Yara, Yasker, what? Oh, hey. Gotcha. Ah. Of course. Things are never that simple. Hey. Stop that. Whoa! Oh, God. Okay, I was not ready for that. Just gotta keep moving. Just gotta keep moving. Don't look at him. Don't think. Don't look. 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 Don't think. Oh, hey. Kablow. Kaboom. Ow. You dig. Hey, you're dead. Wait a minute. Woo, what's that? VP70, huh? Neato. Okay, so I have to do that. Hey, you know, that exploration is good for something. You'll love to see it. Oh, hey. What are you doing? Okay. So remind this. Oh, God damn, mother. Oh, just one more jump. Yeah. All right, there we go. Oh, Jesus. Stop it. What's that weird artifacting going on there? Gla Simon's Cafe. Hey, that's my name. The fact that this is so calming and nothing is happening is really worrying. Nothing? Hey, I need a screwdriver to open this. Where would I find a screwdriver? Plink. That took way too long. But I got a thing for you. Boing. Chink. Oh! Hey! Okay, I see how it is now. You are disgusting looking. Oh, Jesus, what the hell? What are you? Oh, God. You are so disturbing looking. Don't die now. Oh, shit. God. Oh, fuck. You! Oh, fire execute. Okay. No, don't combine. Wait, is that not the thing? Oh, no. Shit. That means I have to go back. God damn. Christ. I never want to do that again. I'm pube hair away from dying. So please, game, be merciful. Oh! Fuck me. Don't ever do that again. I don't like these noises that you are playing to me, game. There's a certain intensity about it that I'm not vibing, that I don't like. It sounds to me like there's a big fight coming up, and I don't like that. Because I have basically the same amount of health as someone with cancer. Ah! Oh my God, damn you. It's been a long time since I've seen you. Give me a goddamn syringe right now. I ain't asking anymore. I am demanding. Fuck. Come on, man. Just want my health back. Ah! Come on. Fuck you. Jesus. Okay, dude, I am literally like the Dorito dust in the bottom of the bag right now. Syringe! Yes! Give me. Oh, I missed you so. Oh. Morphine. Cool. Whoa! Where'd you come from? Oh, oh, hey, that's good. That's good. That's really good, actually. Okay, alright, I'll do that. But I'll just walk the other way. Or is it a time thing? Come on. Ah, it is a time thing. God damn it. And we got it. Like a champion. Low battery. Ah, damn, this is... Oh! I didn't know this was an iPhone. Come on. Thank you. Get the hell out of my way. Oh, yeah, get the smackdown on him. Oh, and... it's dead. Ooh. A fleur. Interesting. Hello. Another fleur. You're too kind. You're not... Not really. You're not kind enough. What is that noise? Alright then. I'm wasting a lot of flares. Oh, apparently I can. What's this? Unlock book page. How to unlock secret items? Ooh! How lovely. Come on. Come on, fit your fat ass. Alright. There you go. Okay, look at that. We're making... oh my. Well, shit. Oh, Jesus, stop that. Come on. Not that. We're free. That was kind of scary. Whoa! Stop! Oh my god! Oh, hey! Come on, die! Please, oh my god! Oh, Jesus! Oh, hey! That was honestly a great build-up. I won't even lie. That was really well done. Alright, do I have any... do not. I do not have any strangers. The game's been fairly stingy with me. Ooh, it's another hoodie. Oh, never mind. That's not a hoodie. Man, those flares are draining on my CPU. Goddamn. Alright, okay. We're almost out of here, I think. I hope. I don't know what that did. Oh, it did this. Lovely. Wait, what? Nuh-uh. Oh, shit. Fuck. Goddamn. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, I ran out of stamina. Come on. Oh, there we go. Just barely. Come on. Alright. Back on track. Did I think? Oh! God damn. Fuck you. Oh shit. Whoa! Oh my god. That was way too close. Trust that for a slight second. Oh hey, the doctor's back. It's been a while since I've seen you. No, Starman, you should not follow. No, following is one of those things you just don't want to do right now because he just shot someone. Ooh, tape recorder. Ah, I love that. Ooh, and a syringe. Oh, hey. Whoa! Don't swing at me. Tanky, you're tanky as hell. I got no Glock ammo. Shit. Peekaboo. Oh, hello. Oh, I missed. Whoa! There's two of you. Nice. Oh! Hello. Give me your Glock ammo. M16. Oh, what the hell? Hey. Hey, get back. Like, I just not drop, I'll drop you for now. Ooh, and the thing. This episode is going very well for me. Oh my god. Hello. Whoa. Hey, you're dead. Neener. Ooh. Glock ammo. Aha, here we go. Oh, that's wrong. Duh. Ah! Why? Oh my god. Stop that. Being down this way. Checkpoint, I might. Oh, no. Kill that thing. Ew. We go. Lock the lock. Oh my god. Perfect. Awesome. Oh, hello. Hey. Calm down. Yeah, that was not very beneficial to me. Oh. Haha. Look at that. I'm so smart. Oh, hey. Glock ammo. Oh. I got rid of that, you dick. Oh, Glock ammo. I do. Haha, here we go. It works again. Awesome. Look at that. Back to the way it always was, baby. We do it. Oh! Nice meeting you again. That's a body. Hey, oh shit. Oh, I'm dead as hell. Fuck. I'm going back and getting the knife. I think. If I can. Or if it'll let me, more like. Oh, I missed you so. What the hell? Oh, shit. Oh, hell no. Fuck. Alright. Holy shit. Damn, this thing's powerful. Well, now that I know that, I feel a lot better about this whole thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I made it. Dude, that entire like past 5 minutes was completely, that entire thing was just silent. And we're almost to wherever the hell I'm going. I've kind of lost the plot a little bit, I won't lie. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Alright, where do I go? Oh! Oh shit! Fuck. Hey, get no. Fuck. Dude. Yeah, that's what I thought. I couldn't tell you where I need a ladder, to be honest. Also, that. Just stop doing that. It's weird. There's like weird breathing. You. Here we go. You. Alright. I don't know how much longer until chapter 5 arrives. But it better be soon. The game might have just crashed on me.